Hi guys, let's start out with supplies. You want to start with your rubber bands, got to be glue. This is a hair mist spray, some hair glue, brush, bristle brush, and mane and tail edge control, as well as the wraps for the edges and your bundles. So let's get started. First you want to start out with parting the bottom part of your hair and making a slight ponytail. So we're basically going to use our got to be glue and create a ponytail starting from the bottom and making our way up top, and you can see what I'm doing here if that better explains it. Then of course you want to blow dry in between applications to make sure that is slick and it stays. After you get to a decent amount of hair in a lower ponytail, I wanted to go ahead and part the front portion of my hair. I'm doing a side part here with a subtle swoop. Here I did apply the mist, but I noticed that because it is water based, it made my hair curl up before drying, so it didn't lay as flat as I wanted it to because my hair started to curl up. Once all of our hair is slicked back into this imaginary ponytail, I wanted to go ahead, or actually rubber band the ponytail and braided it all the way down the length, and then added a rubber band on the end to hold it into place. So here then I'm using that same wrap and I'm just wrapping it around my braid. This is to protect my natural hair. I do also recommend maybe tacking this down with rubber bands throughout the whole thing and not just leaving it like I did. Now it is the time to apply the bundles. You want to take your hair glue around the edge. Do this little bit by little bit because you don't want it to get stuck to you or dry too quickly. So then I want to start with the bottom of the braid and then wrap that all the way around the braid until you get to the top portion. finally, when you get to the top, you want to take a bottom portion of that bundle and wrap it around the top portion to hide the weft from the very top, as well as conceal any of the leftover or peeking white wrap that you put around the braid. Alright, I think this has laid long enough. I'm going to go ahead and take off the white wrap so you can see the final look. Alright ladies, and this is how it ended up. This is my very first time attempting to do this ponytail, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how that first time came out. Using this method does protect the natural hairs, so the hair glue does not adhere. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. New videos you would like to see from me, and have a good one. Bye!